Hi, it's Neil. Welcome to my office, and today I have the AIHOWS smart battery camera. So if you're like me and you are concerned about protection and you want to make sure that you can keep an eye on things when you want to, this would be a good solution for you, supposedly. So we're gonna have to check it out and see. I haven't used this one yet, but I wanted to get a camera that was battery powered so I can just stick it anywhere and move it around. I mean, it's good like I don't have any little kids, but if you had like a nanny cam or something like that, if you wanted to have a nanny thing, you could use this for that, and you can watch it connect to it on your phone and keep an eye on what's going on. So let's give this one a try and see how it works. I haven't reviewed a camera in a long time because I have cameras around my house already, but I don't have any that are battery powered that I can move around. So in the box, we get the warranty card. So that's good. Comes with instructions. We have the camera, which has got some good weight to it. I'm guessing it's the battery in there that's got all the weight. So let's see what this looks like here. It's all stuck up in here. Let's see. Oh, it's taped on. Okay, so that's what the camera kind of looks like. And then we have the mounting ball and a little cleaning cloth. So the ball, you kind of stick it up with the sticker or whatever. You stick it up and then magnetizes to it so you can put it anywhere, so you can stick it somewhere. Pretty cool. And then what else we got here? And then we have I'm guessing this is a charging wire. And I'm right, and it uses the micro USB. So you can see micro USB to USB to charge it. And it comes with some screws if you want to screw up that little magnet thing there instead of using the sticker. So let's check this out and see how it works. We're gonna look at the instructions here and try to figure this out together. I'm guessing there's gonna be an app we're gonna have to install so we can do it. Let's see. So it looks like it has the ability to put an SD card in it. Let's see. In the bottom here is the micro SD card slot. So here, watch, if I push these two buttons on either side, I get to open it up, and that's what the inside looks like. And this is what the back looks like, so you can kind of see it and get an idea of what it looks like here. So it looks like there's the charging port on the bottom. And where's the SD card slot? Oh. Let's see. Oh, the SD card slot is on the side here. So there's a little rubber cover here. Let me see if I can open that up. So there we go. There's the micro SD card slot. I don't have a micro SD card right handy, but we're gonna try it without it and see what goes. And so hopefully it's got some charge to it already too. So we have got that part set up. So let's keep going and see what's next. So next we have a QR code to scan. So I'm gonna scan that with this phone here that I have. Hopefully it's got enough battery to last to make it go. So there, I scanned it and it wants to open in the App Store, and I will say yes. And I will get the app. It's called VICOO. The VICOO app. So let's see, then after we get the app, we have to add device. After we get the app and we add device. So let's see, it's already here. So let's open it. And it's pretty quick, so everything installs right away. The app, we're gonna allow notifications. We are going to agree without even looking at it. We can watch our video and stuff, and let's get started. So let's sign up a new account. So our country is not China, we are United States. It's funny, it defaults to China. I don't think I've seen that before, but okay, we're United States now, and my email address, Neil. Hopefully it doesn't send me a an email to confirm. Because if it's in the main email, it's going to show up on the other phone. Darn it, it's going to show up. Oh, maybe it'll show up on this. Let's see if I go to email. See if the confirmation code comes through on the email here. And it does. So support. Uh-oh. Okay, my code is 603086. 603086. Next. So now I need a password. Password setting is non-compliant. So apparently it needs a high security one. So let's do one that I'm never gonna remember. So this is a password that I will probably not remember anyway. So there we go, add a new camera now. So now it says it wants to use my location. I will say allow while using the app. And it wants my Wi-Fi password. And now turn on my camera and scan the QR code. So let's try this now. So let's turn it on. Probably have to take these little stickers off of it. So there. Just turn on your camera and scan the QR code.
Wi-Fi connected.
Wi-Fi connected, but that was good. So it scanned it and connected it. And now it says set a camera name. So I'm just gonna say default location and I'm gonna call it just the whatever camera. And now it says updating the firmware, I guess. Updating the latest version 0.1.39. Firmware is upgrading. We're at 0%. So this may be one of those times when I have to like fast forward the video and stuff as it's going, but we're gonna keep it going real time here because I don't really turn it off. So motion was detected. So it's already working. And it actually popped up a picture. See, you can see motion was detected and that's the picture of what it detected. So it really does, so it works. So that's kind of cool. Oh, my phone is on low power mode, so we're not sure how much longer this is gonna work. So let me put this, I'm gonna close this thing back. Oh, I'll close it back up. And I'm gonna put it back into the case. It goes that way. So there, now it's on the case. I'm just gonna put it down and face it towards nothing right now, just because it keeps popping up with the message and it keeps finding stuff. So we're still at this percentage here with this. So hopefully this will finish soon. I'm just gonna leave it running and I'm gonna play around and do some other stuff while it's going. I'll let you know when it's done. Read some more instructions. Okay, so I was able to just cancel the update for right now. So let's go back to my camera and I can say do not update and then it's gonna connect to my camera. It's connecting right now. There we go. And you can kind of see it's got the video of it. Let me make it big. And so there's what it looks like. And so you can see it works. It puts the camera on there. So it's pretty nice. It's pretty cool. It's got the live picture of what's going on and stuff. So, I mean, for what it does, it's a camera. It does good. It's got lots of different settings on there too. It's got a little light. See, it's got a light on it too. So you can turn the light on. So if you had it like by your front door and it was dark out, the light can automatically go on for you. I can turn the light off, I think, by pushing it again. So it's got different things. I can talk to it. It says, push and talk. So there we go, and I'm talking to it. I said the word talk a lot, but you can kind of see it's got a lot of different options and things. It works and it does what it says. So I'm giving this a thumbs up. There, I turned off the light on it, but there you go. So I can hang it up by the door. I could even put it on like a tripod and put the little screw in there or something like that if I wanted to make it more portable, or just take it somewhere and kind of set it up temporarily. So, I mean, I like this one. It does what it says it needs to do. So thumbs up for me. And it's the AIHOWS camera, battery powered. So I like it. And it's got a nice big battery. So this will go for probably days and days or weeks or whatever without me having to mess with it. So it's perfect for something where I could even set it up at a house when I go on vacation. And when I come back, I can look at all the video, or it'll just notify me whenever something's worth seeing. So pretty cool. I like it. Thumbs up for me. The app's a little slow. I don't like the app as much as I like other apps, but it works. Does what it needs to. So thumbs up. I'll put a link to it in the description. And be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And I'll be back with some more reviews as I get more stuff. Thanks for watching. Bye.